guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday. Hope everybody's having a good week. This is just going to be a quick video, guys. I've got a shop card shout out and got a little bit of progress on the 55 Chevy. First, let's do the shop card shout out. Let's see. So I got shop card from Woody's Scale Model Garage. Very cool card. If any of you guys are subscribed to me and you are not subscribed to Woody's, do yourself a favor and get over there and subscribe to him. He's fairly new to the community and he does some really cool stuff over there on his channel, and the card's really cool too. He also sent me a sticker. Hopefully the camera will focus in on that. So yeah, you guys, I'll put a link in the description. You guys can get over there and sub to his channel. And then update on the 55. So there's the 4-speed transmission, the fan, the accessories basically, alternator, pulleys, transmission mount. Yeah, so I had, back when I started this build, 9 years ago, my buddy was going to put a turbo 400 in his 55 Chevy, and now lots of time's gone by and he has decided he's going to do a 4-speed. So I was able to pop the transmission off of there and got the 4-speed painted up, and I found me a shifter. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this one. Like I say, just a short one. If I get some progress, get some more bench time this weekend, I will do an update video. Hope y'all are having a great week. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.